round out. You have to round each problem.
You could call it the $64,000 question.
So would I have rounded that off down or would I have gone up?
But the fact is, that figure doesn't quite cover it.
You're probably asking yourself, why do you have that big number?
The question is this: why the San Antonio School District decided to pay a superintendent almost $1 million to not do her job.
I'm not sure.
Dr. David Splittick is now the interim superintendent.
Are you comfortable with that figure?
Well, I'm not sure comfortable is the word I'd use. I think that with anything that happens that's going to cost money, the thing that we've got to do is very careful planning.
Okay, what table's ready to line up?
And according to some people, SAISD should plan on coming up with even more money than previously thought. That's because the Texas Education Agency could withhold as much as $500,000 in state funds as penalty for the buyout. And board member Mary Esther Bernal says by the time you find a new superintendent, the original price tag may have doubled.
This loss of a superintendent is going to cost the district close to $2 million, and that's a big amount of money.
So where will that money come from? Well, Bernal says she already has an idea. She believes the plan is to cut many of the programs initiated by Deanna Lam.
It probably will be some dismantling because I've heard some comments and some rumors that those programs were not really what the schools wanted.